Are you looking for the best car vacuums in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best car vacuums that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus CH951. CH964 amps. The best car vacuum cleaner we've tested is the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. While this isn't the smallest handheld vacuum, it's still compact enough to stow away easily on a garage shelf or even in the trunk of your vehicle. It's also very lightweight yet still feels solidly built. It does a fantastic job of handling debris on flat, hard surfaces and is impressively effective in dealing with messes on carpeting and floor mats. Its dirt compartment is quite large for a handheld model, so you won't need to empty it at the end of every cleaning session. The CH951 variant comes with a crevice tool for dealing with debris in tight corners and a miniature turbo brush. Unfortunately, the brush is bulky and has difficulty picking up pet hair on fabric surfaces. Another downside is its meager 10-minute battery life, which is pretty poor, even by the standards of other handheld vacuums. The battery isn't replaceable, so you can't swap in a new pack if performance degrades over time. Finally, this vacuum is terrible at sealing in fine particles, which can easily escape from its exhaust. If that's an issue, consider the UltraCyclone HomeVac H11, which does a much better job of trapping allergens. It's also one of the best car vacuums we've tested, but it struggles with bulkier material, which can clog its suction inlet. Up next in the 4th place is the Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum. The Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum is the best cordless car vacuum we've tested that balances cost and performance. It's cheaper than the Shark, uses a less expensive filter, and has an even higher capacity dustbin that you won't need to empty as often. Despite its bulkier size, it still doesn't weigh much, so you can easily carry it wherever you need it. Its integrated extension wand crevice tool makes it easier to clean tight spots, like between car seats, your center console, or the depths of cup holders. It also has a built-in hard bristle brush for scrubbing away stuck-on dirt from seats or any plastic surfaces, and the brush stows away when not in use, so you don't have to worry about misplacing the attachment. Unlike the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus, it doesn't come with a turbo brush attachment, making it a little annoying to clean larger carpeted or upholstered areas, like seats or carpet mats. It also takes much longer to recharge than the Shark, and has a similarly short battery life of around 10 minutes. Another common downside it shares with the Shark is that its battery pack isn't replaceable. You can't swap it out without disassembling the vacuum first. The 3rd product on our list is the BISSELL AeroSlim TurboSlim. If you're looking for a highly portable option that won't break the bank, get the BISSELL AeroSlim TurboSlim, the best car vacuum with a portable design we've tested. While its super small design limits the amount of debris it can hold, especially compared to a larger model like the Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum, it's much easier to use in tight spaces, like the inside of a compact car. In fact, it's small enough that you can even stand it upright in an extra large cup holder. This vacuum feels well built, especially for a handheld at this price point, and its simple design makes emptying its tiny dustbin or accessing its filters easy. Its battery life is about 15 minutes, longer than any of our more expensive picks above. In terms of accessories, it comes with a crevice tool to extend your reach in the crevices between seats and in cup holders, as well as a slide-on soft bristle brush for cleaning plastic surfaces that scratch easily, such as your car's center console. Unfortunately, like the Black+Decker above, it lacks a miniature turbo brush tool or a wide nozzle upholstery tool, which are essential for cleaning larger fabric-lined or carpeted areas, such as the trunk or floor mats. Additionally, while it's highly effective at clearing away pet hair and lightweight debris, bulky material can easily clog its narrow suction inlet. ULL want to clear away any large debris by hand or with a broom before using it for cleaning. Second on our list is the RYOBI 18V1 Plus 3 Gal Project P3240. A shop vac can be a great investment if you want a vacuum that can handle dry and wet messes inside your car, or something that can pull double duty as a compact garage vacuum. The RYOBI 18V1 Plus 3 Gal Project Wetry is a great option for this use and is among the best cordless car vacuums we've tested. It's relatively compact for a workshop vacuum, so you can store it away on a shelf or under a work table when not in use. That said, it's still much bulkier than a conventional handheld, such as the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus, so you might have trouble fitting it within the confines of your car. Of course, the downside of its greater debris capacity is that it makes the vacuum somewhat hard to carry around as it fills up. Also worth noting is that while there is a crevice tool to extend your reach, its hose is still very short, making it difficult to clean the furthest recesses of your car's interior or tight spots, like underneath seats. Finally, while the included 4.0 Ah battery only supplies enough power for roughly 15 minutes of runtime, you can easily swap out the depleted battery for a fully charged one, which is likely something you already have if you own any other RYOBI 1 Plus products like a cordless drill, reciprocating saw, or even a shop light. Finally, the top product on our list is the Eureka Mite. The Eureka Mite is the best car vacuum with a corded design we've tested. It has a short power cord, so you'll likely need an extension cord to clean hard-to-reach spots in your car. However, its lightweight design makes it easy to pick up and carry around compared to most conventional canister vacuums. Despite its affordable price point, it features a reasonably potent 12-amp motor, which allows it to lift heavier debris or material embedded within floor mats with little trouble. It also does a great job of clearing away pet hair on upholstered surfaces, such as car seats, when used with its mini brush tool, although it doesn't include a mini turbo brush. The vacuum has a simple design, allowing you to quickly dispose of its dirt bag once it fills up and replace the filter. Unfortunately, the Eureka's build quality isn't especially impressive. Most parts are made of cheap-feeling plastic, which isn't surprising given its bargain price. While its long wand, made of 2 hollow plastic tubes, gives you a bit of added reach for cleaning tight spots, it's worth noting that those plastic tubes can easily fall apart if you don't wedge them together very tightly. In addition, unlike an actual shop vacuum like the RYOBI 18V1 Plus 3 Gal Project Wetry, you can't use it to clear away liquid spills. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.